Hi, welcome to Charts Chatter with Chatur Charts, the 17th July 2022 edition. While we've been always focusing on indices and Bank Nifty and Nifty, etc., I thought since it's results time, it makes more sense to focus on stocks and sectors and see how they are doing because that is ultimately what will determine the way forward for the market. So today, one such stock that we're going to look at is Federal Bank that announced results on Friday. Basically, good set of results from a fundamentals perspective. But let's see as to what the charts foretelling and predicting with what the stock is going to move forward with. So let's quickly go to the chart. Well, so this is the Federal Bank chart, almost at the previous highs that it has made since October of 2021. So near the 100 mark. And if you will notice that four times this stock has touched the 9900 zone, which includes Friday's move. So once in October of 2021, then for the second time, it made it on 15th of February 2022. For the third time on 5th of April 2022. And for the fourth time on the 12th of, on the 13th of July. Um, yeah. So thereafter, it's making an attempt. A day before yesterday's move also, it made an attempt to get close to the 100 mark, but did not reach that. Now, typically, so what is important to note is that this is a long-term resistance, trend line resistance for the stock, so which is finding it very difficult to breach the 100 mark and go past it. So this obviously gets converted into a supply zone. What is interesting is that at this level, there is a harmonic bearish bat pattern that has been observed. So amongst harmonic patterns, which are both bullish and bearish in nature, they are all derived using the Fibonacci retracement levels. And they are extremely reliable and powerful and have very high probability of playing out. So very rarely I have found that a harmonic bearish pattern or a bullish pattern has not got played out. There could be exceptions, but most of the time they play out. So right now, Federal Bank, by virtue of it reaching the 9900 zones, has actually formed a perfect harmonic bearish bat pattern. So this pattern, the retracement levels that you see on the pattern perfectly conforms to the harmonic bearish bat pattern rules. But given the present market situation as to the little bit of bullishness that we are seeing over the last few days, and Nifty's own attempt to get past 16,200 and move up to 300, 16,300 and 16,400 levels, these constituents and the stocks in that could also make an attempt to move up. So I'll not be surprised if Federal Bank also makes an attempt to move past the 100 mark, maybe 102, 104, or even 106 for that matter. But still, the problem doesn't get solved there. And unless it gets past 110 on a daily close basis, I will still be bearish on the stock and would like to short it. So because it has kind of conformed to this pattern, and if there is even some sense of bearishness in the market or in the banking sector, the stock will start correcting, is what my thinking is. So the confirmation for this for traders would be that if the stock closes below 97 on a daily close basis, then it can be a perfect confirmation for taking a short position on the stock. So with the short at about 97 and the stop loss at about 102, a 5-point stop loss, this stock can be shorted for a possible first target of about say 90 to 91, where the point B terminates. And once it closes below 91 on a daily close basis, perhaps one can comfortably look at a second target of about 85 to 84, which is where point C terminates. And probably it can even then go down to about 81. So the ideal way to play this shorting is to keep a stop loss at 5 points and look for an eventual target of about 15 to 16 points. And one can actually do a trailing stop loss. So as the stop keeps moving down, one can keep trailing the stop profit gradually to every 2 points so that profit gets protected, and then finally wait for the target to conclude. So this is a attempt to study this stock movement and the pattern, and we hope that the market rewards us the way the study has been conducted. So we have to really wait for the market to play out and see whether this works. As I said, that the stock may temporarily move higher to 102, 104, or 106 also. But in the next few sessions, if it manages to come down below the 100 mark and closes anywhere in the 97, 98 zone, I think then this becomes a perfect candidate for shorting. So let's wait and see. I personally expect this to play out in the 8 to 10 sessions, coming 8 to 10 sessions. So possibly in July series itself, this could play out. But ultimately, the market is powerful, and we'll have to wait and see as to what the market does. So until then, all of you have a great day, and let's see how the market plays out. Um, Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye-bye.